In 2025, Starlink redefined what's possible for internet at sea. With over 9,000 active satellites and global coverage, it's no longer about whether satellite internet works offshore. It's about which system delivers when it matters. That's the Starlink Performance Kit, built for motion, weather, and long passages. It's not just faster, it's reliable where traditional systems fail. At Concord Marine Electronics, we've installed and supported hundreds of Starlink systems on yachts across the US, Bahamas, Caribbean, and Med. Our edge? We don't stop at installation. We integrate Starlink with the MDS blender, combining LTE, 5G, and satellite into a seamless, redundant network. So you stay connected, in port, offshore, and everywhere in between. If you're planning your next season, now's the time. Starlink has built the network. The Performance Kit is the hardware. Concord makes it work at sea.